guys, I wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know I am now offering online classes. I've had several requests for them. So I have one running right now. It's running for the next 2 weeks. It is candy cane season. And if you're not familiar with the candy cane season, I actually showcased it a couple weeks ago. It's in the holiday catalog. It's on page 20. And it is this cute little stamp set. And there's a candy cane builder punch. So if you bundle the two, you actually get 10% off. So this is what I will be using with my online class. In order to qualify for the online class, you need to go to my shop and make a $42 purchase online, and you need to input the host code that's listed in this video. That host code is unique to this class, so when you use that, then I know that you want to receive the Candy Cane Season class. The class will be a private video tutorial of 4 different designs. You'll get 8 cards, so you'll be able to make 2 each of the designs. You're also going to get 8 envelopes. The video will be pretty much unedited, so you'll be able to make these cards from start to finish. So once the class closes out on November 28th, it'll close out. Then I will turn around and mail out the card kit to you. So you should get that within 7 to 10 days, just depending on the mail. You just need to make sure you leave your contact information when checking out on my shop. If you just want to purchase my online video tutorial, you can do that. It's $15. You'll still get the kit in the mail. That'll be my thank you for purchasing my online video tutorial. The videos are private, so if you want to purchase just the video tutorial, there's a link in my video here, and it'll bring you there so you can buy just that. So here's a little sneak peek of the cards that you will be making. I'm just showing you a little tiny part of them. So they're super cute. The stamp set is really adorable. I love this stamp set. So I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know what you think about my online classes, and hopefully you enjoy them. And like I said, I'd love to hear your feedback. Good or bad, just let me know so I can either make changes. I don't know. If I don't hear from you guys, I don't know what you guys want. So, all right, guys, and then I will let you know when my next online class will be posted. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and sign up for my newsletter, and I will give you 30 free card ideas just for signing up. Thanks for watching.